The KQQ 12-4000 Stream Mirror Dashcam, available on Aliexpress, stands out as a comprehensive solution for enhancing your driving experience with advanced features designed for safety and convenience. The KQQ 12-4000 Stream Mirror Dashcam offers unparalleled clarity with its front lens capable of recording in stunning 4K resolution. This high-definition video ensures detailed and crisp footage, capturing every detail on the road with clarity. Whether you're driving during the day or night, the dashcam's enhanced visibility provides assurance and reliability for all your journeys. Equipped with a 150 wide-angle front lens, the KQQ dashcam effectively covers the entire width of the road ahead, ensuring a broad field of view that spans across all 3 lanes. This expansive coverage eliminates blind spots and ensures that every angle is captured, whether you're monitoring traffic conditions, navigating city streets, or cruising on the highway. With front and rear cameras, the KQQ dashcam offers dual-channel recording, providing simultaneous coverage of both the front and rear of your vehicle. For seamless integration with your smartphone or other devices, the KQQ dashcam comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. This feature allows you to easily access and manage recordings, adjust settings, and download footage directly to your mobile device.